In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Shopify. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with various marketing and analytics tools, allowing you to effectively track your website's performance and gather valuable insights. First, you'll want to log into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly and easily create an account by visiting the Google Tag Manager website and following the prompts to set up a new container for your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, go ahead and create a new container. Make sure you give it a name that's easy to recognize, like the name of your store, and select Web as the target platform. Once you've created the container, you'll be given a unique container ID. Keep this ID handy, as you'll need it shortly. Now, head on over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the Online Store section and click on it. This will expand a menu where you'll want to select Preferences. Here, you'll find a section labeled Google Analytics. Although we're not setting up Google Analytics at this moment, you'll paste your Google Tag Manager container ID here. In the Google Tag Manager container ID field, input the ID you noted earlier. Once that's done, click Save to ensure your changes are stored. Next, to fully activate Google Tag Manager on Shopify, you'll want to include its code within the theme's code. Return to the Online Store section in your Shopify admin panel and click on Themes. On the theme you're currently using, you'll see an Actions button, typically represented by 3 dots. Click on that, and then choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. You'll now be navigating the theme's files. In the sidebar menu, scroll until you find the Layout section. Under this, locate and click on the file labeled theme.liquid. This file contains the global code for your Shopify store, which means any changes made here will be reflected across your entire site. Within the theme.liquid file, you'll want to locate the head tag. This is an important step, so take your time. Once you've found it, insert the Google Tag Manager head code right above the head tag. Additionally, you'll need to find the body tag in the theme.liquid file and place the Google Tag Manager body code immediately after it. This ensures the container runs effectively throughout the entire body of your website. Remember to click Save once you've pasted the codes, securing all your hard work. Now you've successfully connected Google Tag Manager to your Shopify store. You can return to your Google Tag Manager account to configure tags, triggers, and variables according to your needs. By completing this integration, you are now equipped to accurately measure and analyze your website's activity, leading to more informed marketing decisions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy harnessing the power of Google Tag Manager on your Shopify store.